Hi everyone, my name is Tony and today I am going to talk to you about udon. I am going to talk about what udon is, the history of udon, and the type of udon you can eat in different regions in Japan and where you can get udon. To start off, what is udon? Udon is a Japanese thick white noodle that is made by kneading wheat flour, salt, and water together. Udon can be served hot or cold and can be served stirred or in soups. Usually, udon is served in soup broth called soup. Next, I am going to talk to you about the history of udon. Udon's origin is from Chinese noodles, first made in Japan Kamakura era, but it was only later in the Muromachi era that these noodles came to be called udon. It was a high-class food at the time, so many people couldn't get the chance to eat it. Udon is different between Western and Eastern Japan. The noodle is almost the same, but the soup is different. The taste of the color and the color of the soup in the Kanto region are stronger and richer, respectively. In the Kansai area, the flavor is lighter and the soup is thinner. Many Kansai people are surprised when they see the brown soup in Kanto because in Kansai its pale color is clear. You can tell that the left one is from Kanto region and the right udon soup is from Kansai. Where you can get udon. Udon can be found across Japan on the menu at specialty udon restaurants or soba restaurants, casual dining restaurants, such as family restaurants. A regular udon dish at an average restaurant typically costs between 500 yen and 1,000 yen, but low-cost udon chains often sell meals for under 500 yen. At more upper eateries or more elaborate udon dishes, you are expected to pay from 1,000 yen to 1,500 yen. You can also find udon at some busy train stations. Standing udon restaurants can be found for a quick meal between train rides. Ordering at the standing restaurants is as simple as buying your meal ticket on the vending machine, giving it to the staff, and enjoying your noodle while standing at the counter. One Cup Noodle Company is making udon in both Kansai and Kanto regional taste. They use a different stock when they make it. You can see a mark on the package label that says either E or W. It means east or west. You can buy them in Japan in the regions of Kanto or Kansai, or you can buy them online. It is very good merchandise for us because it is cheap and easy to try both tastes even you don't stay in Japan. Also, it has a long enough shelf life because it is an instant noodle, so you can eat it anytime you want. Thank you for listening to my presentation. These are my references.